plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today, I am making another Ice-type Pokemon for the month of December. I am making a very simple and cute Dewgong. I hope you guys enjoy. This video is for my friends Jessica and Chris. They recently gifted me a copy of Pokemon Red version. Thank you guys so much. I'm so excited to play it. I have not ever played any of the early games, so that'll be really fun. And Chris had a Dewgong on one of his original teams way back in the day, so this is for them. Thank you guys so much. I'm really excited to play. So all the papers I'm using today are pretty shiny. This cardstock it's like white with a little bit of glittery iridescent tone to it, and the background paper that I'm using looks like Christmas tinsel, so very festive, very shiny. I really liked how this one turned out. I don't think that it's super similar to the game art. I took some artistic liberties again on the eyes, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope that everybody is doing okay this week, you know, hanging in there. If you're stressed out, I know a lot of people have finals right now, and I feel like a lot of people at work, maybe, depending on what kind of industry you're in, maybe it's really busy right now. For me, it's really busy. I know, like, everybody says it's either really busy or nothing's happening in December. I guess it just depends what you're working in. But yeah, if it is super busy for you, I am thinking about you. Hang in there. I am right there with you. So I cut the fins of Dewgong out separately, and I'm just erasing to make sure that the pencil is gone before I do some outlining and some other details. So I decided for the head to use a second piece of paper just to make the mouth kind of 3D. I didn't want to just draw it on, I just didn't think that that would be enough for this one. And I'm experimenting with a new technique again. I think the last time that I used several layers like this was for Per Ugly, where there were 2 or 3 layers for the head. Here I'm trying to figure out how to blend in that edge. It didn't really work out for me, so I'm just kind of cutting little pieces out, and it didn't work. But that's okay. That's okay. I am learning how to papercraft. I ended up just cutting that bit off. I have a very exciting video coming soon of Jirachi. I have been working on it every single day this week. I will let you guys know exactly how much time it takes for me to make it. Most of my crafts take between 20 minutes to an hour, but this is going to be a long one, so be sure to be looking out for that one. I think it'll be a really fun video. If there are any ice types that you would like to see before December is over, please let me know down in the comments. I have papers planned out for a handful of them, such as Delibird, Cubchoo, Snowrunt, Lapras. If any of those sound good at all, please let me know, and I will get to work on them. I know I should make a Glaceon, but it's one of those ones where I'm really nervous about it, and so I haven't planned anything. Whenever it's a very iconic character, I get more nervous because it's more loved, and I just don't want to mess it up for the people that love it. So now I'm working on the eyes. It's hard to see in the game art, but the eyes are slightly brown, so I'm just trying to make the iris of the eyes with these 2 bits of brown paper, and using the black as a base for the pupil. These eyes end up being much bigger than the game art eyes, but the shape is still similar, the colors are still similar, but yeah, it's definitely very stylized. So instead of just little circles for the like shine in the eyes, I decided to do stars. I call this like my kawaii eye technique. I do this every now and again. And I found I had a smaller star hole punch, so I used that because the other one was just too big for how small the eyes were. Oh, he looks so happy with these eyes. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. So now just getting him a little nose. And next I'm just preparing the background paper. I used to use all of these Christmas papers to make like gift tags for boxes and bags, and I had a lot left over, so this has been a perfect use for them to make some holiday Pokemon art. And for washi tape, I am using this very nice teal with polka dot, and also some gold, since a lot of this piece is shiny. Alright, so next I have to work on outlining Dewgong, making sure that his fins, are they called fins? I don't know. The fins are outlined very well, and the mouth, and the tail, of course, and the horn. I feel like I'm stuttering more today. I had a lot of caffeine. I didn't want to get up this morning, so I had like a V8 energy drink, and then I had some Coke, and yeah. Coca-Cola at 10 a.m. is not a good choice. Don't do that. Don't be like me. But yeah, this is all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Chris, Jessica, thank you again for the copy of Pokemon Red. I'm really excited to play it, and I will see everybody again soon. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And yeah. Bye! Oh, I wonder when the caffeine is going to wear off.